What I'd like to do here is just show you a use that I found for these cool magnets now that I use on my car. I've got a slight water leak on the driver's side. When it rains really, really hard, I get a drip that comes in and makes my carpet, underneath the carpet, wet. So my solution, rather than put my full car cover on, is I just take this 3.5 mil sheeting and put it on. And it works really, really well for, just general rainstorms. And it's not on the whole car, it's just up on the top. Comes down around the side here. Sort of sits like this. But the point of this video is not just talk about the sheeting, it's how to hold the sheeting on. What I found really effective in holding this sheeting on is to use these little magnets. And I buy them on Amazon, and they're pretty effective. They're not going to hold the sheeting down in a 40-mile-an-hour windstorm. They're not that powerful, but for most normal rains, they work great. Keep the sheeting on, keeps my car dry, and I take this thing off in no time. And put it on in no time. Put a couple up here on the roof, and then on the sides here, I got some on the sides, and I find two right here work really well. Now the hood is not magnetic, so nothing's going to work there on the hood, but these ones on the side work great. And there you go, there's some down here again. Anyways, my point is, these little DIYMAGs, or DIYMAGs, however you pronounce them, work really well to hold your sheeting down on the car. One thing I need to mention about these magnets is, what do you do with them when you take them off the car? Because that's kind of important. Because what can happen is, if you can't just take these things. If you take them off the car, whoops, and they get like all stuck together. And it's awful hard to get these things apart. So anyways, just to show you what I've done here. I went to Home Depot and I got this piece of metal. It's, I guess it's about 3 feet by 2 inches. And what I do is when I take these magnets off, I just, take it off, stick it on the metal, take it off, stick it on the metal, take it off, stick it there, and what happens is it's really easy. You just get them, take them on. Whoops! That's it. These things are like, they're alive, I'll tell you. Anyways, I would suggest getting some kind of piece of metal to stick them on. Makes it really easy to control them. Then I take this one off right here. Watch what happens to them. Choop! They are now stuck together, and it is next to impossible to get these things apart. I mean, it's tough. We had a big rainstorm last night, and it rained for probably, 6-7 hours, very hard, and the wind was blowing, according to the weather, it was about 15 miles an hour from the west and the north. So the plastic stayed right on, no problems at all.